Hi, I'm Rick Oshay, CEO of Continental Western. We buy buildings. We operate our company here. We have success. Here's our newest acquisition. Take a look. It's huge. Hey Frank, is this big enough?
It's huge. Everything's bigger in Texas, Rick.
And we're investing so much money in Texas, in our property, in our company, and in our success here. We had to get a safe to hold all of the dough.
Well, Dave, what do you think of the property?
It's a beautiful property, Frank. There's a lot of green space. I think you're going to have to buy a new riding lawnmower.
So Frank, tell me, we have trucks, we have employees, where are they gonna park? What about the trucks?
We got a huge yard. We've got plenty of employee parking. We've got 12 docks. We've got plenty of room to service our customers, Rick.
Now this is the building.